I will share the updated payment proof. This is the updated one. So you also can make such amount of money. What you need to do is just to watch this video and follow the 3 simple steps that I will share with you in this video. Someone emailed me and asked about the payment rates. So the payout rates I will also share in this video, so keep watching this video. So who should watch this video? The method that we will share is suitable for anyone who wants to make money online from zero. Also suitable for YouTuber with less than 4,000 hours watching time and less than 1,000 subscribers. It is also suitable for YouTuber who are unable to monetize their channel using YouTube partner program due to any reasons. And also is suitable for anyone who want to make money from home or work from home, and also anyone who want to earn extra income. So let us continue and we will see the details. Hi, my name is Faizi. Thanks for watching our video. Today I will share with you about how to make money online. I'm not selling any how to make money online course because I'm not a guru. I just want to share with you the proven method that I know. Before we get started, please subscribe, like and share our channel, so you will always get an update from us. Thank you and keep watching. Okay, in this video I will share how we can make money from YouTube without 1,000 subscribers and without 4,000 hours watching time. What you need to do is just to follow the 3 simple steps. Okay, the step number 1 is to get a digital product from the library. Step number 2 to get the unique URL for that product. Step number 3 to add the unique URL at the video description. So if you have video, then you put the URL at your video description, then you will get paid. So in these steps, okay, using these 3 simple steps, you can make money even you are new YouTuber or new channel. It's not an issue. So now let us continue.